Go to see if Abby will point for you all. Come on, Abby. Watch this. Watch this. Come on, Abby. Now, hopefully, when she goes to the gate, she'll point at it saying, I want to go in. What is it? What is it, Abby? Come on, then. There you go. Point. What do you want? So you should do it again. Come on, then. She points. Ready? Come on, Abby. Let's go. I'm going to go in. Point. There you go. Well done. Good girl. Come on, then. So you should do it with the front door. She's brilliant. This is my assistant's dog, and this is why I love her. Come on, then. Front door. Front door. You show me. Where are we going? We're going in. Yeah, I know. Come on, then. What do you want? She's not going to do it and walk away again. Come on, then. Come on, then. Right, come on, then. Scotties, eh? Who'd have them? What you like, girl? Come on. Go in the garden. Come on. Come on, let's go in the garden. Eh? Where are we going? Come on, then. Go see if she can do it. What do you like, Abby? You're a good girl. You're a good girl. What is it? What is it? What is it? Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? Come on, then. We're going in. You want to go in? There's the point. Good girl.